Welcome to Ignite Core Solutions. I'm Uzma, and in today's video, we're starting from the very beginning of one of the most powerful tools in modern web development, React.js. If you have worked with plain HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you have probably noticed how things get harder to manage as your website grows. That's exactly where React comes in and makes everything easier, faster, and more organized. What is React? In simple words, React is a JavaScript library. It was built by Facebook and now it's used by major platforms like Instagram and Netflix. Its main purpose is to help you build user interference, the part of a website that users interact and see in a faster and smarter way. Instead of writing everything from scratch again and again, React lets you build small reusable built-in blocks called components and use them throughout your site. Why React is so useful? Let's say you're building a website and you need the same button like buy now on several pages. Without React, you'd copy and paste the same button over and over. If you ever want to update the button, change the color, text, or style, you'll have to fix it everywhere manually. That's time consuming and messy. React solved this by letting us create the button once and then reuse it wherever you need it. That button becomes a component, like a small part of your website that you can drop in as needed. You can do the same with other repeated parts of your website: navigation menus, footers, product cards, pop-ups, anything you use more than once. What makes React so powerful. It saves time, keep your code organized, and makes managing your websites much easier. Here at Ignite Core Solutions, our goal is to teach you React in the simplest and the most practical way possible. In the next video, I'll show you how to install React on your computer and set up your first project. Even if you never touched the framework before, we'll walk through everything slowly from folder structure to how the files connect, and you'll build your very first working component, React component. Thank you.